Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Abby, and if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. Today we are going to be getting straight to it. I am going to be showing you guys how I turn my wash and go into a wash and go puff. Very easy, very few, I was about to say ingredients, very few products that you need to be able to accomplish this hairstyle. So if you are interested in seeing how I do that, stay tuned. So the few products that you're going to need: your gel for the back of your hair, which I'm using the Wetline gel. My edge booster, you already know this was in my favorite list, which I'm going to be using for the front of my hair, my edges. Some bobby pins, a bristle brush that you're going to use to brush the back of your hair with, edge brush for your edges, and then to complete this puff. You guys can see it because it's really stretched out, but it's pantyhose. The knee ones that goes up to your knee. You can get them from Walmart. It's like 30 cents for 2 of them. So it's like in these little balls and whatnot. So I bought it from Walmart, and this is what I use to tie up my puff. So starting out, because I already have a wash and go and we already have a lot of gel in my hair, I'm not really going to need a whole lot of gel. Oh, and I forgot water, guys, water. So I'm going to basically push up my hair up on the sides, front, and the back. And to do that, because I don't want the curls to revert too much, I like to put the water into my hands, rub my hands together, and then start using my hands to brush my hair back. And what I start doing is basically pulling my hair up, because I want to be able to put most of my hair up without having to use a brush to do it. So I use my hands to do majority of the work. Go back in with some more water. So for me, whenever I do a high puff, I like to moisturize before I go on the gel. So now I've added the water. This is a new favorite leave-in. I'm gonna go in, y'all really can't see it, I'll put it up here. Spray some into my hands, and I'm going to rub. So once I add my water, leave-in, and whatnot, I like to seal all of that with my oil, which is the K-Lux strengthening and growth hair oil. I'm gonna shake it so everything that has kind of sunk to the bottom can all mix together. So yeah, using the K-Lux, pour some oil into my hands. Smells good. Then I'm going to put some on my ends. Go around the perimeter of my hair, and then once I'm done with that, I start with my extreme wetline gel, and I take a little bit, rub it in my hands, and then we are going to take it around and basically try to slick the hair down, and then follow up with the bristle brush and try to slick that down even more so that it can make doing the puff much easier. And I just go around and do that till I'm satisfied. Then we are going to take the stocking cap, which we are going to be using for our high puff, and I am going to take it from the back to the front, as you guys can see, and then crisscross it. And then what I do is I put a finger on the part of where it crisscrosses, and as I'm pushing it up, as you guys can see, I'm like pulling one side of it so that it can get tighter. And then once I get it to the point where I feel like it's tight enough, then we're just gonna pull both sides of the puff until I get it as high as I want. Now make sure that you don't do it too tight because we don't want no headaches out here, okay? So for me, once I get it tight, I actually also let it loose a bit so that I'm not cutting off my circulation and I don't pass out. Now I'm going in with my edge booster, and I'm going to actually, put it in the perimeter of my edges, and then take my edge brush and just kind of slick the hair back to make it nice and smooth. And then once I'm done doing all of that, I'm going to attempt to slick or do some of my baby edges, my baby hairs. And I did a portion of it off camera because the other side just didn't want to work with your girl. So as you can see, I'm just taking a little bit, doing a little swoop to doop, and then did the same thing on the other side. So now that I'm done, I'm going to scarf up my hair for about like 20 minutes and let my hair set so that, we can have the hair be laying on a flat. And if you got like, a longer time, let it set longer than 20, but at least 20 to 30 minutes of you letting your hair set will be great. And this is how mine looks. I'll be back after 30 minutes. Hi guys, so I am back. It is at least like 40 minutes later. I proceeded to do some homework, and that's why I was out for more than 30 minutes. But hair is all dry now, slick down. The inside of my hair is still not dry, like, I just did the wash and go today, so it's still not fully dry at the roots, but this is it. We got some little waves, happening and whatnot. Edges are slicked down for the week. And yeah, this is how I do my high puff tutorial. I would do the same process if it was a twist out, a braid out, whatever. This is usually the steps I go through to do high puff, and it helps to maintain the health of my hair and make sure it's moisturized and whatnot throughout the week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are notified the next time I upload. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.